In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update the payment method in Google Workspace. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go to edit expiration dates or billing addresses and how to add a brand new card if your number has changed. This walkthrough is designed for the person who manages billing for the account, so make sure you're signed in with an administrator login before you begin. Start by opening your browser and searching for Google Workspace. We're aiming for the official Google Admin Console, which is where billing lives. When the results appear, click the correct link from Google. It will typically mention the Admin Console and use a google.com address. If you see ads or third-party sites, skip those and stick with the official link for security. If you're prompted to sign in, enter your admin credentials and complete any two-step verification as needed. Once you're in, you'll land on the Admin Console dashboard. From here, head to Billing. You'll find it in the left-hand menu. If your layout looks different, use the search bar at the top of the console and type Billing to jump straight there. Inside Billing, look for Payment Accounts. This section stores the payment profiles tied to your subscriptions. Open it to see the accounts associated with your organization. Next, find your active subscription and click View Payment Methods beside it. This shows you the cards or payment profiles currently on file and which one is being used. If you only need to adjust minor details, like an updated expiration date, a new CVC, or a corrected billing address, click Edit or sometimes Fix next to the existing card. Carefully update the fields and save your changes. Make sure the billing address matches what your bank has on file to prevent declines. After saving, give it a moment. You may see a small authorization check from Google to validate the card. If your card number has changed, you'll add a new one. Click Add Payment Method, choose Add Credit or Debit Card, and enter the new card details exactly as they appear. After adding the card, you can set it as the default payment method so future charges use it automatically. If everything processes correctly, you can remove the old card at your discretion. Just avoid deleting the only active payment method before the new one is saved. That's it. Open your browser, go to the Admin Console, Billing, Payment Accounts, view the payment methods, and either edit the existing card or add a new one. Keeping this up to date helps prevent service interruptions and failed charges. Thanks for watching, and keep your billing details current to stay worry-free.